When do we use the first conditional? We use it to talk about 4 plans and decisions. 1. If we finish early, we will go for a walk. 2. If it doesn't rain, we will have a barbecue. 3. If I get the job, I will move to the city. 4. If she books the tickets, we will go to the concert. 5. If they agree, we will start tomorrow. 6. If you come on time, we will leave together. 7. If we have time, we will stop for coffee. 8. If the hotel is nice, we will stay another night. 9. If I pass the test, I will enroll in the next course. 10. If the meeting ends early, I will call you. 11. If she gets approval, she will launch the project. 12. If they don't answer, we will go without them. 13. If he finishes work early, he will join us. 14. If we find cheap flights, we will travel next month. 15. If you bring the papers, we will sign the contract. 16. If the repairman arrives, I will show him the issue. 17. If we buy a house, we will paint it blue. 18. If she feels better, she will attend the party. 19. If we save enough money, we will go on holiday. 20. If I get a promotion, I will celebrate with my family. 21. If he calls, we will meet for coffee. 22. If they don't respond, we will cancel the order. 23. If the weather stays nice, we will go hiking. 24. If the boss approves it, we will begin today. 25. If you don't book now, we won't get a table. 26. If we catch the train, we will arrive by noon. 27. If she agrees, we will adopt the puppy. 28. If I have time, I will call the plumber. 29. If you don't help, I won't finish in time. 30. If the budget increases, we will hire more staff. 31. If she passes the interview, she will get the position. 32. If they visit, we will show them around town. 33. If I get paid, I will buy a new laptop. 34. If the teacher lets us, we will do the presentation first. 35. If they arrive early, we will eat before the movie. 36. If I see him, I will invite him to dinner. 37. If we don't leave soon, we will miss the ferry. 38. If she likes the idea, she will join the team. 39. If you send the email, I will reply right away. 40. If it gets cold, we will stay inside. 41. If the shop is open, I will pick up some snacks. 42. If the boss approves the budget, we will buy new chairs. 43. If the weather is nice, we will eat outside. 44. If they book the table, we will be on time. 45. If I feel tired, I will skip the gym. 46. If we don't call soon, they won't come. 47. If the kids behave, we will buy them a treat. 48. If I wake up early, I will join the morning run. 49. If you bring your documents, we will apply today. 50. If she has time, she will stop by. 51. If we reach the station early, we will wait at the cafe. 52. If I don't hear back, I will follow up tomorrow. 53. If you cook, I will do the washing up. 54. If the car is ready, we will pick it up at noon. 55. If we complete the project early, we will start the next one. 56. If I don't forget, I will bring your charger. 57. If the class ends early, we will grab lunch together. 58. If you don't go, I won't go either. 59. If she buys a bike, she will cycle to work. 60. If we win the bid, we will celebrate tonight. 61. If he agrees, we will change the schedule. 62. If you choose the movie, I will buy the popcorn. 63. If I buy the paint, will you help me decorate? 64. If they don't return, we will report it missing. 65. If it starts raining, we will cancel the hike. 66. If I go to the market, I will buy some flowers. 67. If she gets the part, she will act in the play. 68. If they don't show up, we will reschedule. 69. If we need more chairs, I will borrow some. 70. If the plumber fixes the leak, we will paint the wall. 71. If I catch the train, I will be home by 7. 72. If we move the meeting, more people will come. 73. If he brings dessert, I will make coffee. 74. If the parcel arrives, I will open it with you. 75. If you visit Paris, you will love the food. 76. If they give us a refund, we will order again. 77. If I find a good deal, I will let you know. 78. If she joins us, we will have fun. 79. If we see any problems, we will fix them. 80. If it gets noisy, we will move to another table. 81. If I wake up late, I will take a taxi. 82. If we paint the room, it will look brighter. 83. If she finishes the report, I will send it out. 84. If you remind me, I will call the bank. 85. If they choose us, we will start next week. 86. If the client accepts the proposal, we will hire more staff. 87. If I get the ingredients, will you bake the cake? 88. If you find the receipt, I will return the item. 89. If I remember, I will tell him. 90. If we meet next Friday, we will finalize the plan. 91. If I don't leave now, I will be late. 92. If she needs help, I will assist her. 93. If the museum closes early, we will visit the park. 94. If you stay longer, we will have dinner together. 95. If it gets crowded, we will wait outside. 96. If I receive the package, I will notify you. 97. If he shows interest, we will include him. 98. If they offer a discount, I will book today. 99%. If the teacher approves, we will start the project. If I have a free day, I will visit my grandparents.